Hey guys, good evening. I am the RG Traveler and we are here at Lusail Marina. I will show you the easiest way to roam around here at Lusail using the newest tram that they opened last January 1st. Come on guys and join me for this amazing experience. Did you know that the Metro card that you're using for a ride at Metro station can be used also at Lusail Tram? How cool is that? The charges for each rides is also the same as you ride in the Metro station. Good to know because I always recharge my cards wherever I go here in Doha. I'm using my cards in the Metro station, and now it's so cool because I can use it also at the newest tram here in Lusail. I'm so happy to share it with you guys because before, you know what, it's hard for us to visit Lusail using the Metro line because we have to book Uber from the Legtaifiya station, but now it's become more easier for us because the newest Lusail tram is already here. Lusail tram is composed of 4 lines and 25 stations. They have the pink line, they have the blue line, the purple line, and the orange lines. But now they open only the orange lines with the 5 stations. As of now, they open only Marina, Marina Mall, Yachts Club, Esplanade, and Energy City South Station. I'm so lucky that I was able to experience this amazing tram tonight. And you know what, I really do believe that Qatar is building some amazing structures, amazing interiors. You know, I just noticed that some of the lights coming from the ceiling is from outside. They're using the natural lights from the sun. Now I saw the tram is approaching and I'm so excited to experience this newest tram here in Lusail. And guys, don't forget that before you check in at this amazing tram, you have to tap up your card at the main door to check in, and also when you're about to go out, you have to tap it up also to check out, because if you will not tap in and out on this tram, you will be charged again for the next ride. So better don't forget that one. I know you're excited, so let's go guys and check this out.
This tram is for
Wow, did you notice guys, the design is really cool. I love the colors. You know, they're using some of the blue colors like in the ocean. It's like very elegant and it's like the aquamarine thing, you know. It's like, wow, really, it's amazing. I love this too much. And I read that the colors is derived from the doughs of Qatar when they're using some doughs for pier, catching piers, and you know, some of the color, the blue colors they're using here is also the same. It's inspired by them. It's really amazing. I really love it. You know, the colors, the elements that they're using, it's really reflects like you're in the ocean. You know, when I saw this one and I was riding, I was like, oh, I'm in the ocean, I'm riding a submarine or something. I want to sit here for a long time, but don't forget guys that the blue colored chairs is for the public, and this aquamarine colored one is for the family, and it is also the same and it's comfortable to sit. It's really beautiful. I love this one. So here it is, we're about to tap up the cards for our checkout. And that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me guys for this amazing experience. But don't forget that the Metro card that you're using at the Metro train is also have the access at Lusail Tram, so you're not able to pay again for another 2 riyals. So that's it for now. Thank you guys for joining me tonight, and you can visit also the place with your friends and try to check out also some of the cafe shops, the food courts near the corniche, and also you can ride some loop also there. So it's amazing. You can enjoy your day off once you're here at the Lusail Marina. And guys, I know you're already here at my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe, to click the notification bell, and also you can follow my other social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. It's also the same name as the RG Traveler, and I'm so excited to share you some of the amazing experiences there with this upcoming 2022 World Cup here in Doha, Qatar. I will share you guys some of the videos that I took here tonight at Lusail Marina. This is the amazing skyline here, and you know, I really love to visit here during the night hour, because while you're drinking some coffee, especially during the winter season, it's really cool to stay in this place, and I really have more time to relax. Sometimes you have to ride also some loop if you want to go on the other side, and if you want to visit some places also. And that's it, that's a wrap. Thank you so much guys for joining me here at Lusail Tram. I hope I give you the right information, and also see you again for my next vlog. Thank you so much, and I just want to greet you amazing New Year's ahead. Bye bye.